Hi, I know it's been 6 months since I last posted here. Here's the reason. Hear me out. I have been in Kenya School of Law. It has been very hectic, so I couldn't just post. I didn't even have time to film. Plus, it's a new environment, so you can't really take out your camera and start filming people. But now I think I've gotten used to the place. So, this video is basically about me becoming a certified mediator. I will explain what that is in a few. But before then, I need to show you what I've been doing. I haven't been filming much in the last 6 months, obviously. Like I said, I was busy, but I tried to film some things here and there. So I'll walk you through what I've been doing. And then I'll take you through the process of becoming a certified mediator so that I can be beneficial and I can start engaging you guys in mediation if you have a dispute. Okay, you know what? I'll just explain that later on in the video, okay?
Mrembo, mrembo, umenikunya kama tembo. Mrembo, mrembo.
Let me clarify some issues because I realize I just mixed up a bunch of words. So I am at Kenya School of Law. I'm studying to become an advocate. So I'm an advocate trainee currently. But while you're studying at KSL, there are so many opportunities for you to become other things, like they kind of boost your CV. So one of the things is mediation. So they offer, not Kenya School of Law, other institutions partner with Kenya School of Law and offer you an opportunity to become either a mediator, arbitrator, secretary, legal secretary, I think, and legal writing. And there's so many opportunities that you're given. So you're sponsored. So basically, meaning you pay a small amount to the normal that any other person would have paid. So, for example, we are paying 5,500 to become mediators, but if you want to become a normal mediator, so from any other time you just want to become a normal mediator, you pay 45,000. I'm not sure, do not quote me. 45,000 and above to become a mediator. So for example, if you want to become a mediator in Strathmore, I think it's 100k. But if you're in Kenya School of Law, you may be offered a sponsorship to study the same thing, but only for 5,500. Okay, so I took the opportunity, and yeah, and I applied, registered, and I'm currently studying to become a mediator. Let's start from orals day. So I was preparing for orals. So I have a few clips of me studying, then me waiting for orals in the waiting area. You'll see that in a few. Hey, it was nerve-wracking. Nerve-wracking. Like it determines 20% of your marks. 20, it's out of 20, and they ask you anything and everything in the sun, under the sun, they will ask. So I prepared for that, and then I went home. You'll see those videos in a few. At some point in my life, I need to buy a microphone so that I can do this comfortably. I'm manifesting right now. So if you see a pencil, this just imagine this is like a small microphone. You know those two tiny ones? Yeah, just imagine it's that. So the next video is me going shopping for my mom and buying her some cute stuff I've always wanted to see in our house, but she's not Gen Z enough to know that those things are supposed to be in the house. So I had to take charge. Yeah, whatever. So I bought this to, hey, ngaja. always wanted to do that. I've always wanted to do that. Anyway. So, and I was looking at prices of some cute stuff in Magunas. They have some really nice, beautiful things for cheap. I'm not even rich, even if those things are cheap, but I'm not rich enough to buy all of them. So, anywho, and yeah, that's basically what I've been up to. Yeah. I am so tired. I've been studying for my mediation course. Today is the last day of mediation. So I've been doing a lot of studying. There's a lot to understand so that I can be able to become a good mediator. Um, so basically, what is mediation? Mediation is another form of solving disputes. That's the simplest English I can think of for explaining what mediation is. You're looking for an alternative to going to court. So you have an issue, there are two parties, they have a dispute, and you do not want to go to court. And the case or the dispute is not criminal in nature, so it's not murder, rape, and all those stuff. And you do not want to go to court because you understand that court processes are very lengthy. They take a lot of time, take a lot of money, they waste a lot of your energy. It will drain you, especially for civil cases. So you decide, let's do mediation, which is another form of solving the same dispute, and it takes a shorter period of time. You, the parties that are disputing, come up with a solution. So me as the mediator, I will not tell you do this and do that. No, my work is to sit you guys down, right? Help you understand the root of this problem, help you understand why you guys are conflicting to begin with. Then from there, you guys come up with a solution to your own problem, which you both agree, you both compromise, and then my work is to make sure that the process is done smoothly. You're not screaming at each other, you're not fighting, you are respectful, you're following the law and the procedures set out for mediation. That's my job as the mediator. So I would advise for any single person who has an issue in court, or you just have an issue outside and thinking the thought of going to court is just so annoying and so vexatious, try mediation. So mediation is very flexible for the party and very, very convenient because one, you choose the place that you're going to hold that mediation as the party. So the mediator and the parties that are in conflict choose the place. Okay. Number two, you choose the time. And like going to court, if you're in court, it's the judge that is going to say the next mentioned date or the hearing date is on this day, and then it's your job to drop everything and go to court on that time. Otherwise, you'll be held. There will be repercussions. However, for mediation, you sit down with the mediator and then you schedule the next date, which is convenient for you as a party, at the venue that you chose. and it is not serious like in a court, like a court proceeding, because of course you might mix English, Kiswahili, there's jokes here and there. Actually, if you guys are joking and you guys were in conflict, then that means progress is being made. So essentially, mediation is way better for people who are in dispute as opposed to going to court. And actually, courts encourage mediation, because there are certain cases that go to court and they're just referred to mediation. It's called court annexed mediation. So basically, you go to court and then it is automatically referred to mediation, or you're compelled to go for mediation. So, however, for now, I am a private mediator. Therefore, I will not be handling cases that are already in court. I will be handling cases that are not yet in court. You guys are having a conflict, you don't want to go to court. I am here, ready to serve. Yes. Thank you, very important. Hi. I got it. I bought it, but it's not working because I've not connected it. So after buying it, I realized it's only for voiceovers. You can't actually connect it to the phone directly, and then it starts working. So it is not connected, and this is purely for aesthetic purposes only. Anyway, I promised myself I'd get it, and I got it. Kedogo. Anyway, that's not why you're here. So today is on Friday, and we're doing mediation orals at the Kenya School of Law to get a certificate. So we're going to do the orals and then a role play of how a mediation setup looks like, and then after that you get the certificates. So let's go. Between a commercial dispute about delayed payments for services. So in Kenya, two business partners, Jane and Mike, are involved in the dispute over delayed payments for services rendered. So Jane runs a small IT consultancy firm, and Mike's company hired Yeah, it says, let me read it for you. Good job. It says certified professional mediator. This is to certify that Mwangi Lauryn Wambui, that's me, has satisfactorily completed the requirement for certification as a professional mediator as established by Cal Mediation and Arbitration Center. Bring me all your private mediation disputes. Well. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. That is the process of being a certified mediator as a lawyer. If you want to become a certified mediator, that is the process. Yes. And see you in the next video. Share, like, subscribe, all those other beautiful things. Yeah.